Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Clean the area and assemble a heat gun, dental floss or fishing line, plastic trim tool, and isopropyl alcohol. Heat each chrome letter evenly for about 60–90 seconds while continuously moving the gun to prevent paint damage. Once warm, loop floss behind an edge and saw back and forth with steady, even pressure. As you work, make sure to keep the floss level and avoid jerking. This separates adhesive without bending the metal emblem or lifting paint. Once the floss has cut most of the adhesive, use a plastic trim tool to gently lever the badge as you continue sawing. This prevents stress on the paint. If a section resists, reapply heat for 20–30 seconds and continue flossing. Do not use metal scrapers or sharp objects that can chip clear coat. Make sure to work slowly around corners and tight curves, and once the badge moves freely, lift it away while supporting surrounding paint with the tool. After badge removal, you'll have adhesive residue. Remove it by applying isopropyl alcohol or an automotive adhesive remover to a microfiber and rubbing gently until clean. Once residue is gone, inspect the clear coat. If you see light haze or scuffs, use a fine rubbing compound and polish, then seal with wax to protect the area. If paint has lifted or you notice bubbling, stop. Make sure to consult a professional for paint repair, rather than pushing compound and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.